This is a summary of the division, the result of the division. 1. Gross violation of the Constitution or any other law. The ayes had 27, the nays had 16, abstentions 2, the ayes have it. Charge number 2, abuse of office. The ayes 27, the nays 16, abstentions 2, the ayes have it. On charge number 3, gross misconduct, the ayes have 27, the nays 16, abstentions 2, the ayes have it. Charge number 4, crimes under national law, the ayes 27, the nays 16, abstentions 2, the ayes have it. Honorable Senators, the effect of the vote is that pursuant to Article 181 of the Constitution, Section 33 of the County Government Act, and Standing Order number 75 of the Senate Standing Orders, Governor Mike Mbuvi Songo of Nairobi City County stands impeached.